Hi, I'm Brent with Kansas Hydrographics. Today we're going to show you a print that we have. Its number is LW226DKH. I call it a barnwood. A guy brought some parts in today to get his dash done in it. I just wanted to show you guys how this film works. I run my tank about 90 degrees. We'll do about a minute soak, maybe a minute, 10 seconds. Get all your air bubbles out of there. We'll be using the Kansas Hydrographics Activator today. Usually use all pass one way one time and then go back the other way for the other time. The part we're dipping today is a dash for a Studebaker. I use a white base coat on this film. You could make it a darker wood by using a tanner base, but the darker you go, the darker the wood's going to seem. So it's got quite a few angles on it. Hopefully I might get this in the first shot. So I guess we'll find out. Let's see how we did. Don't look too bad, but that's the, I call it barnwood. It's not a very straight wood pattern. It's kind of got a lot of grain into it. That's not real straight. It kind of goes its own way. It looks like old wood. You can get this pattern. I sell it at KansasHydrographics.com, or I sell some films on eBay as well. The eBay seller name is Draft 461. That's DRAFT 461, and that's KansasHydrographics.com. Thanks, guys, and see you next time.